when I say to extended, I change it between extended and mirroring, and you'll see what happens. And I have the option, the iPad is in front of me. I could open DaVinci Resolve and move it. I could try to move it to the, okay. Okay, I changed the arrangement, so that screen is on the right of the iPad. It's easier for me like this. And now I can move DaVinci Resolve on the right side. It's a bit confusing there, but you see how it starts to show up in the corner right there. It's not easy to use this, but yeah. If you use a mouse and keyboard, it's going to be much easier to use the second monitor as an extended display. But for now, screen mirroring is easier. I can use like this. Okay, it didn't load the project. So now I can see DaVinci Resolve. I can see DaVinci Resolve on the screen, then the whole iPad. As long as the USB hub is plugged in and the HDMI cable is also plugged in, I have these options and I can set the display to extended and mirroring, and also the arrangement here, it's up to you how you want it, but that's how you change the display. And you see some flicker there, that's maybe some not such a great thing, but the display there is full HD 60 frames per second. The iPad is also, there are different resolutions. The display there is full HD 60 frames per second, and the iPad has its own Retina display, but you can really add more monitors like that. You can even use wireless displays. I didn't really use a wireless display with the iPad, but that would be an interesting option. And I want to show you what happens when you unplug the USB hub. The options for the mirror display are gone because they're not needed anymore. So yeah, now it's doing this flickering here. So there might be some problems sometimes when it's doing this a little bit there. I don't know what's with that. Yeah, it's not ideal, but if you have a keyboard and mouse, or even if you have the Magic Keyboard, it's a great way to have a docking station. So you can plug in your iPad to this hub, and in this hub you can even have a full-size keyboard and a mouse like that. If it works, I didn't try it yet, but it should work. So I plug in again the USB hub and I get the options again there. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you, and I hope this flickering will go away soon. Thanks for watching.